right, easy now. Keep it coming down.
Roger that. It's at the target depth. Prepare for release.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the swell on the starboard side.
Copy that. Lowering now.
Watch the swell on the left. Okay, lower it slowly now.
Hoist the bucket. Steady now. Watch the tension. Swing port to the barge. Let's go.
Check the schematics again. We need perfect placement before the next pour. We need that girder secured before the next wave hits.
And get the excavator back to digging. We're behind schedule.
Keep the screed steady there.
Almost got it flat on this side.
Check the level near the edge.
Lower it slowly. Watch the tension on the cables.
Easy now.
It's in position. Lock it down.
Starboard tug. Hold your position. Bring her alongside the caisson nice and slow. We need that alignment checked before the next section arrives.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the bolts on the east side.
Copy that. Holding steady.
Watch the beam. Keep it steady.
Copy that. Lowering now. All right, bring it up slow. Watch the clearance on the far side. Okay, Crane, hold it right there. We're clear.
Bring it left. Easy now. Watch the girder.
Copy that. Swinging left. Setting the slab.
All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Watch the alignment. All right, bring that segment down easy. Watch the clearance on the south side. Okay, we're almost there. A little more to the left. Perfect, perfect, set it. All right, easy now. Bring it down slow.
Watch the alignment on the far side.
Looks good. Set it down.
We did it! The south tower is complete.
Slowly now. Watch the tension.
It's clearing the water.
We have liftoff.
Okay, easy now. We're almost there.
Secure the beam before the next gust hits.
South Tower. Prepare for the traveler wheel arrival. Keep the tension steady.
Stop the line. All clear on the left. Keep it moving, folks. The The tension on the south cable is steady at the target load, Supervisor.
Good. Keep the traveler moving. We need this section done before the fog thickens.
Keep the tension steady on line 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining pressure.
Secure that girder on the north tower now. We need tension on these cables before the next shift. We need more paste up here. Send up the next bucket.
Copy that, sending it up.
Keep the tension steady on that spool. Over.
Roger that.
Moving to the next section now. Over.
We need more orange on Sector 4.
Copy that. Moving the sprayer now.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Looks good. We are clear for welding. Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Copy that. Holding steady.
Blow it down on the main hoist. Watch that starboard cable.
Copy that. Slowing the hoist.
All right, easy now. Keep coming up.
Look at that. Perfect alignment. Well done, team. Lower it slowly. Watch the connection point.
Got it. Aligning now.
Check the tension on Blueprint C. All right, easy now, easy. Set it down right there.
Copy. Setting the beam.
It's finally connected!
Amazing work, everyone. Bring it down easy now.
Watch the alignment on the edge.
All right, secure the bolts.
Clear for the next pour on pylon 3. Make sure the mixer is ready.
Roger, casting the line now. Keep coming down. A little to the left. Hold it right there.
Easy now, bring it down slow.
All right, we're set. Get that bolt started.
Lower the segment 5 meters. Easy now.
Copy that. Coming down slowly. Harness secure. Ready for lift.
Roger that. Lifting now. Keep an eye on the east side. Keep the drum spinning. Watch the pour rate. Mixer 2 is approaching the south tower.
Watch the screed on the left side.
Got it. Looks good here. Make sure the edges are completely soaked. Roger that. Moving the hose now.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side. Looks good. Lock it in. We need that steel beam secured on the south tower. Over.
Roger that. Bringing it up now. Watch the fog.
Keep that roller moving nice and slow. We need this asphalt smooth before the next load arrives.
Roger that, leveling it out now.
Secure the far end first, then move inward. We need that section locked down before the fog rolls back in.
And with that, the Golden Gate Bridge is officially open.
We need to secure that beam on the upper left section.
All right, I'll update the schematics now.